I'm Stephanie Dang, and I will be using the November 2023 main kits and the limited edition November 2023 triangle tree die set for this layout. I'm just adding and trimming my border to frame my photo before starting. I'm going to use the following papers from the main kit with this tree die. Before we do that, let's put the background together and add some stitching. Alright, so now we're going to add a bit of mixed media by using the November 2023 color kit. First, we need to add gesso to prep the area. You can let this sit and dry, but I am a bit impatient, so I'm using a heat tool. Now I'm just using the stamp inks from the color kit and adding spritz of water to do a kissing technique on my page. I know my page is a little crinkled at the bottom right, but I will be adding the glitter paste from the color kit for a snow effect at the bottom of my page. I'm just adding and brushing on water to slightly move the colors around. Now I'm just using the dimensional yellow from the color kit, diluting it with water so I can add some minor splattering to my page. I'm grabbing the glitter paste from the color kit to create this fake hill of snow. This paste is so gorgeous when it dries. My layout isn't completely dried yet, but once it is, the crinkles will smooth out on its own. It won't look as bumpy as you see it right now. I've just die cutted all those trees and laying up my photo with additional pattern paper from the main kit. Alright, now it's time to play with embellishments. My layout is almost done. Just a reminder, please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy our process videos. Click the notification button to be notified every time we add a new video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about your projects or the Hip Kit Club, and we will be sure to reply. The Hip Kit Club kits are all exclusive products that cannot be found anywhere except in the kits. I'm Stephanie Dang, and thank you so much for watching.